Feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're stuck in a loop of debt, overspending, and just never getting ahead? You're not alone. But what if I told you that in just 90 days, you could completely reset your financial life? It's not a magic trick, it's a plan. And today I'm going to walk you through it, step by step. So grab a notebook because we're about to change your financial future, starting right now. Let's break this 90-day reset into 3 manageable 30-day phases. Think of it like a fitness plan, but for your wallet. The very first thing you need to do is track every single dollar you spend. Yes, every coffee, every subscription, every impulse buy. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or just a simple notebook. It might feel tedious and maybe even a little shocking, but this is the most crucial step. You need to know exactly where your money is going. Phase 1, days 1 to 30, is all about awareness and assessment. You can't fix what you don't understand. We need to calculate your total income, your total fixed expenses like rent and utilities, and your total debt. Write it all down. Seeing the complete picture, even if it's scary, is empowering. This is your financial starting line. While you're tracking, it's time to face the numbers. Gather all your financial documents. I'm talking bank statements, credit card bills, student loan information, car loans, everything. Now for the final part of phase 1, creating a bare bones budget. This isn't your forever budget. It's a temporary, super strict budget for the next 60 days. We're cutting out all non-essentials. No eating out, no shopping sprees, no new subscriptions. Be ruthless. The goal here is to free up as much cash as possible to throw at our goals in the next phases. It's about distinguishing your wants from your needs. Remember, it's temporary. You can do this. All right, welcome to phase 2, the attack plan. This covers days 31 to 60. You've survived the first month. You understand your finances, and you have a lean budget. Now we get aggressive. Our first mission is to build a starter emergency fund. Life happens, and an unexpected car repair shouldn't derail your entire plan. Once you've hit that starter emergency fund goal, it's time to tackle high-interest debt. Look at the list of debts you made in phase 1. Identify the one with the highest interest rate. This is usually a credit card. This debt is costing you the most money every single month, so it needs to go first. This is called the avalanche method. Throw every extra dollar you have at this one debt, while still making minimum payments on all your others. It's like a focused laser beam of debt destruction. Seeing that balance drop will give you an incredible sense of momentum and motivation. During this phase, it's also a great time to look for ways to increase your income. Can you pick up a few extra shifts at work? Do some freelance work on the side? Sell things around your house that you no longer need? Even an extra $100 a month can make a huge difference in accelerating your debt payoff. Get creative. Think of it as a short-term hustle for long-term freedom. Okay, you've made it to the home stretch. Phase 3, days 61 to 90, is all about automation and future-proofing. You've built incredible habits over the past 2 months. Now let's make them permanent and effortless. First, let's automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account on payday. Pay yourself first, before you even have a chance to spend that money. Your goal now is to continue building that emergency fund until it can cover 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Next, automate your debt payments. Set up automatic payments for all your bills, including extra payments towards your target debt. This not only prevents late fees, but also keeps you on track with your debt snowball or avalanche without you having to think about it. You're putting your financial plan on autopilot. Now, with the 90 days coming to a close, it's time to create a sustainable, long-term budget. Your bare-bones budget was a temporary tool. Now you can carefully and intentionally add back some of the wants you cut out. But this time, you're doing it with full awareness. You can budget for a meal out or a new pair of shoes because you've planned for it. This isn't about deprivation. It's about mindful spending. Your budget is a plan for your money that aligns with your values and goals. Finally, set your next financial goals. What do you want to achieve in the next year? Pay off another credit card? Save for a down payment on a house? Start investing for retirement? Your 90-day reset wasn't the finish line. It was the start of a whole new journey. You've proven to yourself that you can take control of your money. You've built the skills, the discipline, and the confidence. Think back to where you were 90 days ago. You've come so far. You went from feeling overwhelmed to being in control. You faced your numbers, you created a plan, and you executed it. This is a massive achievement. The principles you've learned at tracking, budgeting, saving, and paying down debt are the foundation for building real, lasting wealth. This isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about reducing stress, creating options, and designing a life you love. So what's next? Keep going. Stay consistent. Your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint, but you've just run an incredible first leg of the race. You've got this, and thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.